Today, we are going to check out some of the robots that might steal your job. Make sure to watch till the end and see if your job might be in danger of being stolen by bots. Number 8. EiraBot 4. The EiraBot 4 from EiraTech is the newest robot to assist in selecting the right things from warehouse shelves as warehouses become more automated. The robot can move across the warehouse at a speed of 14 km per hour and can lift 350 kilos. Wi-Fi and beacon-like devices are used to control the bot. For the time being, human pickers are still required to take products from the shelves, but the robot eliminates about 70% of the time required for warehouse personnel to walk between tasks. A passing fad? Unlikely. According to a 2016 MHI poll, 74% of businesses plan to use robotics in the supply chain, including order fulfillment via self-driving cars and drone deliveries. Number 7. Connie. Connie is a robot concierge designed to welcome visitors, engage in conversations with them, and respond to their inquiries. Although it would be simple to write Connie off, doing so would be unwise. You see, Connie is a collaborative creation of IBM and the Hilton Hotel Group and draws intelligence from Watson, IBM's artificial intelligence program. While it is currently unable to check visitors in, the robot is aiding guests at the Hilton McLean Hotel in Virginia with a variety of issues. Connie is all about using Watson's deep learning technology in a practical way, with a particular emphasis on a natural language processing and self-learning through contact with users. The Henna Hotel in Nagasaki, Japan, is almost entirely run by robots, with only 10 human employees, so this is no passing fad. Number 6. Pepper. In case you haven't heard, Pepper is the first social humanoid robot in the world that is capable of understanding fundamental human emotions and facial expressions. Today, both corporations and academic institutions can use Pepper. The robot is being used by more than 2,000 businesses worldwide to creatively welcome, educate, and advise guests. Being 120 centimeters tall, Pepper has little trouble recognizing people and striking up a conversation when he sees them. His chest-mounted touchscreen presents material to underline messages and bolster speaking. Pizza Hut, MasterCard, and SoftBank Robotics have teamed up to install Pepper, the customer service robot at their businesses. Number 5. Anbot. It should come as no surprise that the development of security and combat robots is moving quickly given the arms industry's enormous funds. Anbot is a police robot that can patrol on its own and guard against unrest or violence. To assist stopping violence, remote operators can turn on the device's taser-like zapper. It can also keep an eye out for biochemical attacks. Anbot has a touchscreen on top and a battery life of 8 hours. It also features intelligent video analysis and autonomous navigation. To pursue fleeing criminals or attend to emergencies, it can go at a speed of 18 km per hour. Anbot can even recharge itself without human assistance, which is bad news in the case of a robot rebellion. It can even hurry to the site if a bystander calls out for help. EiraBot can suppress riots in addition to doing routine police patrols by shooting its electroshock weapons from a distance. Do you think Anbot will replace the duties of the police? Tell us in the comments. Number 4. Ian. Russia is not the only country creating robot warriors. Over 80 nations' armed services are attempting to integrate AI into their military hardware, but Ivan, also known as the Terminator, steps up the effort. This all-steel humanoid is intended to take the place of a person during a conflict or in an emergency situation where there's a chance of an explosion, fire, high background radiation, or other potentially dangerous circumstances for people. This shows how close nations are moving toward the idea of using massive robot armies to patrol borders and wage war. Experts say the world may be moving toward the terrible prospect of mindless machines killing people without the checks and balances of human supervision. Number 3. Leo. No more tedious check-in lines. Future airport designs will be influenced by robotics, automation, biometric identification, and artificial intelligence, which will simply travel at every step and enhance the passenger experience. Passengers that arrive for their flights are greeted by Leo before he automatically carries their bags, as long as they weigh less than 70 pounds, to the proper baggage handling area. Additionally, passengers can use Leo's touch display to scan their boarding tickets, print out their luggage tags, and view relevant information about their boarding gate. Leo is capable of avoiding obstacles and has good spatial awareness. There is little doubt that the correct technology can dramatically enhance the passenger experience at airports, whether it is through the use of biometric passports to increase security or digital displays to inform travelers. Number 2. Moxi. Moxi, a helper robot developed by Diligent Robotics, is tasked with performing time-consuming but easy activities for nurses, so they will have more time to complete more difficult jobs. Moxi is used by nurses at Cedars-Sinai to transport test samples, run prescriptions, and even bring patients gifts from the gift store. When Moxi was originally introduced to Cedars-Sinai in September 2021, it helped nurses save walking 300 kilometers in only the first 6 weeks. Moxi was developed to increase hospital efficiency, but it also attempts to boost morale. Moxi charges itself, interacts with people, and navigates elevators, security doors, and automatic doors using artificial intelligence, machine learning technologies, and social engineering. Moxi is a pleasant robot that works around the clock. When it encounters new people, it waves and even strikes a selfie. Number 1. P-Robo. A robot chef named P-Robo serves customers at a restaurant in southern Japan. Having 4 pans at its disposal allows it to quickly prepare and cook pasta dishes. The meal is heated while the sauces are being added to the frozen pasta, which is first defrosted in 10 seconds. Each dish can be prepared in 45 seconds and can be served in 75 seconds. P-Robo can produce about 90 meals every hour when operating at full capacity. This AI-powered chef can not only boil water and prepare pasta, but also clean up after itself. Studies show that there is a 96% chance that restaurant kitchen jobs will be automated in the near future. We still don't know if P-Robo is a practical kitchen solution, a job killer, or just a slick-looking fad. But don't be shocked if a waiter ever informs you that a recent software update has caused some minor kitchen backlog. There you have it, robots that might steal your job in the near future. Do you think AI is going to completely replace humans and do the work? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Your support helps us create more great content, so we appreciate it.